Hi, my name is Laura. I'm 58 years old and I had a breast reduction and then later decided to have a blepharoplasty and brow lift with Dr. Blanton here at Specialist in Plastic Surgery. So after having lots of children, breastfeeding, and struggling with weight most of my adult life, I decided a couple years ago that I would get healthy and had a big weight loss and knew that it was time to look into this. My entire life I had dreamed of having a breast reduction, and so I went to my primary care and she said the only place that she would recommend for me to come is Specialist in Plastic Surgery. And after her advice and doing research on Dr. Blanton, I knew this was where I needed to be. I felt very prepared for my breast reduction. I made the consult, I spent time with Dr. Blanton. He's very thorough, and when I left there, I felt all my questions were answered. I had no anxiety about the procedure. I knew that it was time for me to have this done. Such confidence in Dr. Blanton. He's so kind, has the best bedside manner. He explains everything well. And after the experience I had with the breast reduction, I really had no worries about going forward with the blepharoplasty and brow lift. So after the procedure, I felt really good. Of course, there's some post-op pain. I was very prepared. The day before your surgery, you come in, the nurses give you written discharge instructions, give you your prescriptions, and so I pretty much knew what to expect. I think what surprised me the most was the pain was not as much as I had anticipated, and my recovery went very smooth. I think probably just overall how I felt. You try to imagine how you would feel after a reduction, especially when you wanted it your whole adult life. I'm surprised, it was almost instantly some of the neck and back pain were relieved, and just the recovery was really smooth. I think especially with the blepharoplasty, I expected it to be painful, and it was virtually a painless procedure for me. And so I was very surprised that that procedure was as easy as it was. So my life is so much better. Of course, I can wear clothing now that I could never wear before. I'm confident at the gym. I can exercise more freely with much less pain. And I lived with neck and back pain for so long, it became part of my life. And now that that's not there, it's very freeing. Excellence, patient, focused, and trustworthy.